welcome to AK's Bright channel. So today start the Python class, the third chapter. Continue this. So how to declare the class? Discuss about this chapter. How to declare the class. Also the data, the attributes override the method attributes with the same name. That means of the data attributes of the class and methods. Class and methods attributes are in same scope, then the data attributes will be given higher priority so that avoid the ancient name conflict. We may use conversions like the three categories is there: capitalizations method name, fixed link data attributes name with a small unique string generally as underscore, using the verbs for methods and nouns of the data attributes. The three categories declare the class variable. Okay, in the class does not contains the any statement. For example, the class without any attributes or method, then a keyword pass given within the body of the class show below. The class mobile, yeah, this is class mobile. The pass here down is using the pass. The above example, pass is the keyword. Pass is the keyword. The giving the pass is the class definitions means that the class does not define any method. Class does not define any methods or attributes, but strings needs the something in the definitions. So you use the pass. A pass is the statement does not nothing. Okay. Construction in Python using int. Construction in Python using int. The constructors is the special methods use the initialization of the data members of a class. In Python, the built-in methods in the start of the construction. Notice the double underscore both is the beginning and end in it. In the fact of the first methods is defined for the class and is the first piece of the code executed in the newly created instance of the class. Newly created instance of the class, but it still should be able should as also be remember that the object has already been considered constructions by the time in is called, as you already have a valid reference to the new instance of the class through the first argument. Self of the init method, consider the following example. The class initialization example, on example init int var, the define the class int self variable equal 10. The double the has double the underscore the before and unit. Yeah, next initialization of var variable def functions, then print var. Okay. This methods can take any numbers of argument, and just like the function, the argument can be defined with the different values. Okay, so argument different values declare here. The making the optical to the caller initial value for the attributes can be placed argument and associated to attributes. A good practice is to assign them default value even none of this case where has a defined value 10. After the data classifications, an object int self is called when the instance is created. The argument of those passed to the class considers expressions. This means statements given below p equal to initialization 20, then p dot display. Yeah, the function assign the value on declaration of function also is there. So display also the note the if no argument was passed, the creating the object would have been built-in default value of var, and the output would have been 10. Okay, the Python first argument, every class methods, including int, is always a reference to the current instance of the class, and by convenience this argument is always named self. Okay, this argument always named self. In case of init, self reference to the newly created object, the instance whose method or was called. Now the note that the init methods never return a value. Init methods never return a value. Next, importance of self. The class method have only one specific difference from ordinary function. You have to on arguments at beginning of the parameters list. This particular argument, the self, which is used for referring to the instance, but you need not given any value for the parameters. When you call the method, the pythons providing automatically. Self is not a reserved word is the python, but just a storing the numbers. Convenience, always convenience, they use the conveniental names make the program more readable. So while defining your class method, you explicitly the self argument method using. Yeah, this successfully theory part is there, friends. So how to declaration the class and function. This unit fully theory part is there. How to define the class, how to assign the value, how to append the value, how to insert the value. The previous class assign and insert the value learned. This class how to define the classes. Okay. Now understood, friends. Is it clear? Please subscribe my channel, friends, and share your friends. Then